Hello students, today we are going to start lesson number 6 HCF and LCM of class 5. In previous video we discussed about the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So in this video we discuss about LCM, that is the lowest common multiple. So let's start LCM. So LCM means lowest common multiple. Here are the two tables, that is multiple of 4 and multiple of 5. So those are the multiple of 4 and those are the multiple of 5. So in this both table, first common multiple is a 20. So 20 is occur in a both table. 40 is also occur in the both table and 60 is occur in a both table. So common multiples are 20, 40 and 60. But out of the 20, 40 and 60, 20 is the smallest. So that's why LCM of the 4 and 5 is 20. Because LCM means smallest common multiple. Smallest होना चाहिए. So 20, 40 and 60 में 20 is smallest. That's why the LCM of 4 and 5 is a 20. So what is mean by LCM? The LCM of the two or more numbers is their smallest common multiple and therefore the smallest number that is divisible by them. Okay, two or more number से कोई number अगर divisible, completely divisible होता है, so we called it LCM of those numbers. So this is the definition of the LCM. Let's start the examples. So find LCM with the help of multiplication table. LCM by the inspection. So we also call this method by the inspection method or the multiplication table. Find the LCM of 6 and 9 with the help of multiplication table. We have to find here LCM of 6 and 9. 6 और 9 का LCM हमें find out करना है multiplication table की help से. We have to find smallest common number or multiple in the table of 6 and 9. So हमें ऐसा एक smallest number find out करना है जो कि 9 की टेबल में भी आए and 6 की टेबल में भी आए. So 18 is the smallest multiple that occur in the both table. You can write tables also here. Okay, आप यहाँ पे tables भी लिख सकते हो. So 6 और 9 के टेबल में जो common multiple आता है वो है 18. 6 की टेबल में 3 times and 9 की टेबल में 2 times. So 18 is the common multiple. So LCM of 6 and 9 is the 18. So in 6 and 9 का जो least smallest common multiple है वो होगा 18. Let's move to the next. Find the LCM of 2, 3 and 4 by inspection. Here we have to find the smallest common multiple of 2, 3 and 4. Means ऐसा number जो 2, 3 and 4 तीनों के table में आए. So we have to find the smallest common multiple that occur in the table of 2, 3 and 4. 12 is the smallest multiple that occur in the 3 tables. Okay, इन तीनों टेबल में एक नंबर है 12 जो कि आता है तीनों में. 2 में 6 times, 3 में 4 times and 4 में 3 times. So यहाँ पे हमारा LCM जो होगा वो होगा 12. So LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. So in this way we use the multiplication table method or by inspection method. Next we use the prime factorization method. So our next method is the prime factorization. Finding LCM by prime factorization method. In this method we find the prime factor of the numbers and then we find the LCM. So let's start example 8, 12 and 16. So we have to find the LCM of 8, 12 and 16. So first we find the factors, prime factor of first number, that is 8. 8 is our first number, so we have to find the prime factor of 8. So 8 is the even number as well as 8 is in a टेबल ऑफ 2। 8 हमारा इवन नंबर भी है एंड 8 2 के टेबल में भी आता है, सो टेक द फर्स्ट फैक्टर एज अ 2। 2 4 ज़ा 8, 2 4 ज़ा 8। देन 4 के फैक्टर्स हमें फाइंड आउट करना है, सो 4 के लिए अगेन वी टेक अ 2 बिकॉज 4 इज इन अ टेबल ऑफ 2। 2 2 ज़ा 4, सो लास्ट नंबर इज 2 एंड 2 इज द प्राइम नंबर, दैट्स वाई वो डिविजिबल बाय इटसेल्फ है, सो 2 1 ज़ा 2। okay, so in this way we find the factors of 8. next we find the factor of 12. अभी हमको 12 के फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं, सो 12 इज इन अ टेबल ऑफ 2, सो वी टेक द फर्स्ट फैक्टर एज अ 2। वी कैन ऑल्सो टेक द 3 बिकॉज 12 इज इन अ टेबल ऑफ 3। 2 6 ज़ा 12, 2 6 ज़ा 12। देन वी फाइंड फैक्टर फॉर द 6, अगेन 2, 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 3 ज़ा 6। okay, so next 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3। okay, so in this way we find the factor of 12. then last we find the factor of 16, so 16 is in a table of 2, that's why we take the 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2। okay, so इस वे से हमने सारे प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट कर लिए तीनों नंबर के 8 12 एंड 16। आफ्टर दैट वी राइट द फैक्टर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोडक्ट। ओके, इसके बाद हम करेंगे जो फैक्टर्स है वो प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे। तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ द 8 इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोडक्ट। 2 into 2 into 2, so those are the factors of 8. now we write the table factors of a 12, 2 into 2 into 3, and lastly we write the factors of 6. those all are the prime factors, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. so in this way we write all the factors here. after that we circle out the common factor in the both. okay, so 2 is the common factor, so circle out first. okay, so find LCM, circle out to make a group, so that's why we write it only one time. जो ग्रुप होते हैं या जो पेयर पे बनते हैं उसे हम सिंगल टाइम लिखते हैं, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू राइट द ऑल रिमेनिंग फैक्टर हियर. okay, so to make a group, that's why we write only one time. then give the multiplication sign, again second group of 2, then write second group as a 2 group. for the group write one time, for a group write a one time. okay, so next here is the pair of 2. when pair is formed, again we write one time. for pair we also write one time. okay, after that there is a no group and no pair here, so we write the remaining factor as it is. so हमें जो भी remaining factors है वो as it is लिख ले रहे हैं. okay, so last step is that to find the product of these prime factors. अब हमें इन सारे प्राइम फैक्टर का जो है वो प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट करना है. सो 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 2 ज़ा 8, 8 3 ज़ा 24, 24 2 ज़ा 48. ओके, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 2 ज़ा 8, 8 3 ज़ा 24, 24 2 ज़ा 48. so LCM of the 8 12 and 16 is 48. LCM of 8 12 and 16 is 48. in this way we find the LCM of the three numbers. so इस तरह से हम LCM find out करते हैं. first we find the prime factors, then we write the prime factors in the form of product, then we find the common factor one time, pair one time, and then lastly write the remaining factors and find the product of those prime factors. और उन सब का प्रोडक्ट जो होता है वो होता है LCM. so in this way we find the LCM by the prime factorization method. I hope you all understood how to find the LCM. so this is the simple method. you can solve it easily by using prime factorization method. Thank you.